Hey Michael, this is Scott Tracy here at Tameron Hyundai, Alabama's #1 Hyundai dealership. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to inquire about this beautiful 2010 fully loaded Dodge Ram. It's only got 61,000 miles on it. And when I say this vehicle's loaded, it is loaded. It's everything but four-wheel drive. So if you would, give me a call here at the dealership at 205-380-6250. Or hey, you can just come by and see me. I'm at 1595 Montgomery Highway right here in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. And again, I promise you, you're going to love the way you're being treated here. And thank you and have a good day.